Okay guys, so here you can see two computers, and I was using all these details to create one powerful, but guess what, one hard drive was broken, so didn't have any option. I put smaller size here. It's 2 times smaller, but I do not have any other at moment, and I'm too lazy to buy a new one. So this computer is ready, but we have following uh, little problem here. So I have installed Windows, but it's not displaying local drive. So let me show you how to solve this. Let me show you my screen. Yes, hope now it's okay. So what you need to do in this problem, if you have same problem, now as you can see it's fixed. I got local drive C, local drive D, but local drive D was not displaying. So how to solve this? Go to your start menu, control panel. Here you should select system and security. As you can see, it's Russian, Windows and Russian language, but in English it will be system and security. And here is administration. So click on it. You will see such a window. Here you should select your computer management, or maybe computer setup in English, it possibly also be. Here you should select this middle one. It's recording devices, I guess. And you'll see a page like this. Here you can see your disk control, local disk control. So double click, and now you will see it should load all CD drives, all local drives, what your computer will possibly find. And usually if any CD drive not displaying, here you will not see later, so it will be empty. So for example, this one drive not displaying, so select it and right click on here, and here you will see change later of CD or drive or location to drive. So click on it and it will be selected. Now click on change. Here you can select what letter you would like to put here, and after that click on save. So okay, and it should start displaying. As well, it will offer you instantly open this drive. So here it is. And if you have reinstalled Windows without formatting this drive, then you can open it, go to users, select your username, old username. Here you can see desktop files, what were in your old Windows, all documents, what was there, and things like this. So this is the most easiest steps how to solve this problem. In case if this will not work for you, make sure leave a comment, and we will try to find other solution for you. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to put likes and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.